Hello, welcome back, my dears. Hope all of you are staying healthy. Are you ready for our English class? Okay, very good. Today we are going to do the text activities 1, 2, and 3. Shall we start? Okay, listen. Activity 1, page number 88. Here are some words. They denote different kinds of wind. Look up a dictionary and find out the different shades of meaning of the words given below. Listen, the words are storm, breeze, tempest, hurricane. You have identified the different types of wind. Using the 4 words given above, prepare a crossword puzzle. Are you ready? Okay. Across, you have to write the first word hurricane. Hurricane. Then the second word tempest. Tempest. Then downwards, number 3 breeze. Breeze. Then the fourth one storm. Storm. Okay, my dears. Now you have to fill the column with these words. Okay, first word hurricane. Hurricane. Then the second one tempest. Tempest. Third one downwards. breeze. Okay. Then the fourth one storm. Storm. Okay, my dears. Now let's move on to the second activity. Listen carefully. Read the passage given below. It was the season of rain. Lily and Baby were on their way to school. It may rain soon, Lily said. Baby looked up. The sky was filled with clouds. A strong wind blew. It began to rain. Water mixed with mud was flowing through the road. You have to note the underlined phrases in the passage. The phrase "the season of rain" can be replaced as "rainy season." Look that underlined word, season of rain. That can be replaced as rainy season. Students, listen here. Then how can we replace the phrase "the sky was filled with clouds"? Who can say the answer? Yes, very good. Cloudy. Then listen to the next one. Water mixed with mud. Yes, you are correct. Muddy water. Okay, my dears. You have to fill it in your text. Shall we move on to the next activity? Okay, activity 3. Listen here. I have a talking parrot, Gina said. Binu and Mubina went to Gina's house. They saw a parrot. It could speak. It is an English parrot. Gina said. Make it speak, Mubina said. What's your color? Gina asked her parrot. I'm green, the parrot replied. Wow, it's really an English parrot. Binu and Mubina said together. They went near the parrot and stretched their hands to touch it. Listen, friends, be careful. If you don't ask questions, it will get angry and peck you. Binu and Mubina were worried. They didn't know how to ask questions. I can help you. See what he asked, Gina said. Gina, where is your mother? Parrot, my mother is in London. Gina, Mubina, now it's your turn. Who are you? Mubina asked in a low voice. The parrot was happy. it replied, I'm a parrot. Oh, that's good. Come on, Binu, now you try. Can you help Binu frame some questions? Make use of the tips given in the table. You can help Binu to frame questions. Listen, Gina had a talking parrot. One day her friends visited her home. It is an English parrot. Gina told her friends that if you don't ask questions to the parrot, it will peck you. But they didn't know how to ask questions. Then Gina helped her. Now it's the turn to Binu. So you have to help him to ask questions on the basis of the tips given in the table. Look at this table. Here are 3 columns. Ask about your questions, then the parrot's answer. Ask about first column, name. Look here, the parrot's answer is I am Tweety. Then which question you will ask? Here, ask about name. Then how will you ask? Yes, very good. What's your name? Then the reply of parrot is I am Tweety. Then the second one, place. The parrot's answer is I am in a cage. Then how will you ask the question? Where are you? Where are you? Then the third one, action. Here you have to ask the question about the action of the parrot. Then here the answer I am talking. Then what question you will ask? Yes, very good. What are you doing? Okay. Next one is the reason. Here the parrot's answer, I am sad because I have no friends. How will you ask the question? Why are you sad? Very good. Why are you sad? Okay. Then next one, time. The parrot's answer is it's in October. Which question you can ask here? Yes. When is your birthday? Okay. The last one, mood. The answer of the parrot is I'm not fine. Then how will you ask the question? Yes, very good. How are you? Then the answer of the parrot is I'm not fine. Okay, very good. Students, you can also role play this activity in the classroom. Write the questions and answers on placards and distribute them among your friends. Match the placards. Okay? Then, those who got the placards with questions would form one group and the rest would form another. Now, fill the gaps in the placards using suitable question words or answers. Now let the groups stand face to face. The members from the question group can come forward and ask the questions one by one. The members from the answer group can come forward with apt answers. Okay? Students, now if you are in our classroom, you can role play this activity. You know now it's not possible. Don't worry. Let's do it now. Okay? Here are 2 columns, question placards and answer placards. The first one, dash are you happy? Then the answer column, because today is my birthday. Then how will you ask the question? Yes, very good. Why are you so happy? Okay. Then the second one, dash class are you studying in? Then the answer, I am studying in dash. Then how will you ask the question? Yes, very good. Which class are you studying in? Then the answer, I am studying in 5th standard. Okay. Dash do you go to school? The answer, I go to school by dash. Then how will you ask the question? How do you go to school? The answer, I go to school by bus. Okay, then the next one. Dash are you today? The answer, I am fine, thank you. Then how will you ask the question? How are you today? Okay, then the next one. Dash friends do you have? Here I have dash friends. How will you ask the question? Yes, very good. How many friends do you have? The answer, I have so many friends, or I have loads of friends. Okay. Then the next one. Dash are your hobbies? The answer column, my hobbies are dash and dash. Then how will you ask the question? What are your hobbies? Then the answer, my hobbies are dancing and reading. Okay. Then the next one, dash will you go to school? Here, at dash in the morning. Then how will you ask the question? Yes, when will you go to school? Then the answer, at 9 o'clock in the morning. Okay, the next one, dash is your favorite subject? Then the answer, my favorite subject is dash. Then how will you ask the question? Which is your favorite subject? The answer, my favorite subject is English. Okay, then the next one, dash is your favorite actor? Then the dash is my favorite actor. Then how will you write the question? Who is your favorite actor? Then you can write anyone you like most. Okay, listen to the last one. Dash old are you? The answer, I am dash years old. The question is, how old are you? Then the answer, I am 10 years old. Okay, my dear, hope you understood today's class. Now it's the time to wind up today's class. We will meet in the next class with some other activities. Thank you.